This is the new Bluetooth speakers from Quadral. The model name is Breeze Blue XL. Blue is from the Bluetooth. It's a pair of speakers, stereo. It's not mono like the portable ones. Probably, I don't know because I haven't opened the box yet. They are portable, the speakers. So we have Bluetooth, sub out, remote control included, digital input, optical one to connect your television, power bank function in order to charge your devices, and the watts, the power is 2 times 45. So every speaker is 45 watts. Let's open the box and see what's going on inside. So we open the box. Let's see, we open it like this. It's a blue box. So this is the manual Quadral Breeze Blue XL, and the instructs the manual, the remote control, how to connect. It seems very serious and hi-fi construction. So it gives you a cable to connect the cable. That means you have to connect the speakers with this cable, and this is the power cable. Also we have the remote control, as we said. It's a slim one, Breeze metallic. It's aluminum here, it's not plastic, and very small nice touch buttons. So we continue the unboxing. And we discover the two loudspeakers, the one and the second one is here. The first one, the second one. The box is empty now. So these are the speakers of the Quadral Breeze Blue XL system Bluetooth speakers, powered ones, since they are Bluetooth. So when a product is warning, this bag is not a toy, we know that. It's not a toy for their kids, for protection. And here is one of the speakers. So the finish is glossy one. The tweeter is a dome tweeter, volume probably this one, for the remote control, and the mid-woofer driver. And the back side we see is a bass reflex loudspeaker. This is to connect the left speaker. The other speaker probably is passive and takes all the energy, the power, the amplification is built in here. So the other speaker is it's not portable. I can see here you have to plug it, but we have to check it if it has batteries inside, probably not. Sub out, auxiliary in, analog connection, RCA analog, and these terminals here are to connect the second speaker to have stereo. USB to charge your devices, for charging only. It's not to play back files or whatever. Optical in for your television, and underneath there are 4 pads here for better isolation from the ground. No vibration, less vibrations. And we open the second speaker. The second speaker is exactly the same. Of course, it's lighter compared to the previous one because no power inside and no connections. So this is a passive speaker, a regular one, just to connect it with the main speaker. So we have the main speaker and the secondary speaker. So this is a system of Quadral Breeze XL Blue wireless speaker. They said wireless because it's Bluetooth. There is no Wi-Fi function, for example. Yes. So let's continue with to have some listening and to check the sound of the set. We connected to the speakers and we powered them up, as you see. Here is the on-off button. There is a blue light here. That means this speaker is on. So it's on now. We have connected. The other side is like this. You see just the cable included, the speaker cable included in the box, as we have seen on the previous unboxing session. So this is the speaker, a set of speakers. All the functions are from the remote control: to pair the Bluetooth speaker, to select the input, to increase the volume. There is a tone control too, bass and treble here, so everything you control from the remote control. So we connect the speaker, we connect them from Bluetooth, and this is the volume, as we said before. So the sound is clear, a lot of bass, stereo.
Bad, good.
It's a nice set of speakers, Bluetooth ones, active speakers that you can use them on your desktop, on your bookshelf, wherever. So they are active speakers, 2 times 45 watts, a lot of connectivity, and Bluetooth. And the sound is excellent, as usually from Quadral. Thanks for watching.